Welcome to day one of my crypto trading journey. I'm starting with $200 and aiming to turn it into something impressive. Here's how I've divided my portfolio: $100 into Bitcoin, the alpha dog of crypto. It's reliable, strong, and leads the pack. $50 into Ethereum, the blockchain powerhouse, buzzing with DeFi and NFTs. $50 into Solana, fast, scalable, and a bit unpredictable, but full of potential. Think of it like this: Bitcoin is the Great Dane, massive and steady. Ethereum is the clever border collie, always innovating. And Solana is the playful greyhound, fast and sleek. This mix feels balanced, with a foundation of safety and a touch of adventure. But remember, this isn't financial advice, just my journey and a few hopeful trades. My goal? Double my portfolio in the next month. Ambitious? Definitely. But hey, this is crypto. Dream big or go home. Here's the plan. HODL, Bitcoin and Ethereum as the foundation. Watch Solana closely for short-term gains. No FOMO, no panic selling, and maybe a few rewards if I hit my goal. What do you think of my first day picks? Got any tips or better altcoin suggestions? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to follow my crypto adventure. See you next time.